Recently, Chameleon Antennas introduced an improved version of their PRV, or Portable Resonant Vertical Antenna System. And the core of their new PRV was an improved MCC, or multi-configuration coil. Now, this is not the improved coil. This is the original MCC. And the difference between the original and version 2 is that the original MCC or coil has an SO239 or UHF connector on its base, and the new ones eliminate that that connection so that you can use the blank adapter or extension rods or whatnot in order to elevate this coil. Use it as a center-loaded antenna instead of a bottom-loaded antenna. So necessity being the mother invention, I was thinking, you know, I got this MCC coil. I do like to use center-loaded antennas when I can, and wouldn't it be nice if we could convert this original MCC coil to the improved version, so that instead of using it bottom-loaded like it was originally designed for, we could center-load this coil, and we can do that. There's a few ways in which that can happen. Number one, it's important to note that this UHF connector here, the ground side of this connector is also connected to the screw here at its base. So if you were to short out this connection, you would in effect turn this screw here from the ground side to the radiator side, which is important because that's where your energy is going to flow through for the coil itself. Now, there's a few different ways you can do that. If you check out Bob, the HOA ham, he just recently released a video on showing you how you can effectively short this out. But I'm going to do it a little bit different way. Looking at Chameleon's instructions, they provide a retrofit kit for the original MCC, so you can use it as a center-loaded antenna. And one of the items they provide is just this little bitty jumper cable. So I decided to build one of these jumper cables. Basically, all it is a 4mm banana plug with a 3/8 ring terminal on the other end. Got a video online for my patrons if you want to see the entire construction process of this, but otherwise it's just a little 5-minute project. So what I could do is connect the banana plug to the center, and then put this on the ring, and then take an extension rod, and we'll screw the extension rod, and voila, we now have a center-loaded antenna. I can screw the blank adapter into this extension rod and elevate my coil. Elevating the coil will do a couple of things for me. One, it better distributes the currents along the antenna, and it also center loading our coil will increase the radiation resistance of the antenna, you know, making this the performance just a little bit better than a bottom loaded antenna. And you know, we always like to try to eke out performance when we can. So I got a couple of these extension rods. These are the 12-inch rods that came with the original MCC package. I found another extension rod rummaging through my kit at home. So we're gonna set this up using our Faraday strip radials as a ground network, and put in a 58-inch whip on the top, and we're gonna put our improved original version of the MCC coil on the air. So futzing around with the tuning, and the tuning is a little bit touchy on the coil, especially with that really small whip. I get down to an SWR of about 1.6 to 1. And actually that's pretty decent, because when I look at the other numbers, my X is at, or my R, my radiation resistance is about 31 ohms, and my X is about minus 6.5. So we're fairly close to resonance with this antenna. And it's, you know, if my SWR is not perfect 1-to-1, that's okay. If my resonance is, my X is getting close to 0, that is great. So I'm gonna run with that. So we got her all tuned up on the 20-meter band. Let's put it on the air. Kilo Bravo 9 Victor Bravo Romeo Parks on the air. Kira's at
Golf Echo Whiskey 9 Foxtrot Tango Radio.
Whiskey 9 Foxtrot Tango Romeo Big 5-9 Wisconsin US 8209. Back to you.
Hey, QSL, copy that 5-9 up Wisconsin. I've got you also the 5-9 down here in Florida. And good afternoon there, Michael.
All right, well, thanks a lot for the Florida today. Really appreciate it. You have a great day, and 7-3.
Y'all take care up there, brother. Happy activation, 7-3.
Golf Echo Oscar.
Then I think I heard a, well, let's grab the Golf Echo Oscar here quick.
Mike 1 Golf Echo Oscar.
All right, that's what I thought you said. Mike 1 Golf Echo Oscar. You got a beautiful 5-7 into Wisconsin, US 8209. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger, Mike 1, no problem at all. Thank you very much for that. Good signal here, 5 and 5 with me, 55, 555. And thank you very much for the YouTube videos. Won't hold you, but great signal here into the UK this evening. 7-3 for now, however.
All right. Well, hey, good to get you in the log. I think we've worked before, but thank you for the UK. You take it easy. You have a good evening. Good night.
Yeah, cheers. 7-3.
7-3. Take care. And then I heard a Park to Park station.
Alpha Juliet 7, Juliet Oscar, Park to Park.
Alpha Juliet 7, Juliet Alpha Oscar. I got you. 5-8 Wisconsin, US 8209. Back to you.
Roger, Michael. I got quite a bit of QSB there, but you're about 4-5 into Montana, US 3424, QSL.
Roger, the 3424 Montana. You have a great activation today.
Thanks for picking me up, and 7-3, good luck with the activation.
7-3, take care. Kilo Bravo 9 Victor Bravo Romeo Parks on the air. Kira's in.
November 1 Yankee Lima X-ray.
November 1 Yankee Lima X-ray 5-6 Wisconsin US 8209. Back to you.
You're 4-4 in Massachusetts.
All right. Thanks a lot for Massachusetts today. You have a great day, and 7-3.
QSL.
All right. And then I think I heard a Whiskey 7 station.
Whiskey 7, Charlie, Hotel Echo.
Whiskey 7 Charlie Hotel Echo. Took a big fade on me, but you're about a 5-3 Wisconsin US 8209. Back to you.
Roger. You are about a 5-4 North Texas, 73.
Thanks for North Texas today. You have a great day, and 7-3. This is Kilo Bravo 9 Victor Bravo Romeo Parks on the air. Kira's in.
Kilo 5 Oscar Papa, India.
I'm out here at Dewey Marsh State Wildlife Area in central Wisconsin, just halfway between Wausau and Stevens Point, Wisconsin, kind of in the middle of the state. And this particular parking area in the wildlife area is also part of Dewey Marsh State Natural Area. So if you choose this parking area, you can grab the twofer for these two parks, which is kind of cool. Today, we are running the Chameleon MCC, the multi-configuration coil. This is actually what they call their PRV, the Portable Resonant Vertical setup. And I've had this coil in PRV kit for a couple of years now. And Chameleon just introduced an updated version of the PRV where they have taken the the SO239, the UHF connector that was on the base of the original MCC coil, and removed it so that when you combine this unit with their blank adapter, it gives you more flexibility, more versatility. You can use this coil as a ground-mounted antenna. You can elevate it like I'm doing today and still have the feed point at the bottom for a true center-loaded vertical antenna. But since I don't have the new coil, what I wanted to do instead is to just adapt my old coil into the new system by adding this little bitty jumper. And this little bitty jumper from the center pin of the SO239 over to the ground side of the antenna worked great, to say the least. So center loading your vertical antennas does give you a little bit of extra efficiency in that regards. So by increasing the radiation resistance, band conditions were not the best today. So I think by just that little bit of difference in the configuration really helped out on my signal, especially with this style of antenna. So that's the kind of cool thing about Chameleon parts. You can mix and match. They've got a lot of different variations, a lot of options. They call it they're building blocks, the Lego of the antenna world. So it really gives you a lot of versatility, a lot of flexibility in your antennas. I also ran the Faraday strip radials today. Haven't had these out for a while. I kind of haven't been using them during the winter months, but now that spring is here, we'll get those Faraday strips out again. Always been impressed with their performance. 74 contacts in the log. Like I said, band conditions were kind of wobbly. We've had some solar activity in the last 24 hours, and that's kind of affected how things have been running here. But otherwise, good, strong signals. Didn't really have any, just a few contacts that were a real struggle to pick out. Got some nice DX from the UK in this activation, so I'm pleased. I'm pleased with the performance of this kit. All of these pieces, most of these parts can be found online, ChameleonAntennas.com. We'll put some links down in the video description if you want to learn more about the new PRV system. If you want to learn about adapting your old MCC into multi-configuration coil into the new PRV setups, you'll find that all down in the video description. So questions, comments, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I always appreciate your comments. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm Michael, KB9VBR. You have a great day, and 7-3.